The prep for New York Fashion Week is actually going pretty great.
I was very sure right from the 8th standard that I want to do something about fashion. Anything like stitching, into garments, because I loved dressing up and I still do, as you can see it.
So the entire journey has been really good, and we are very thankful for INIFD Andheri and London School of Trends for giving us this opportunity and international exposure as well.
बड़े से बड़े डिज़ाइनर्स को भी मौका नहीं मिलता है न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक में अपने कलेक्शन देने का, और सिर्फ एक INIFD इंदौर ही है जो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है.
हमारे पेरेंट्स को भी हम पे बहुत प्राउड फील होता है कि हमने INIFD में एडमिशन लिया और हमको हर दिन एक नया एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है.
We have prepared in a very enthusiastic way.
Right from the sketching and the thought process and doing the embroidery and constructing a garment, it takes around 15 to 20 days.
So it's the 2 minutes where the garment will be on the ramp. 3 months were enough, but for a full collection, I guess 6 months is needed.
We had lots of up and downs, lots of rejections, lots of approvals to do, but yeah, as of now it's going great.
न्यूयॉर्कची तयारी पूर्ण झाली आहे. गारमेंट आम्ही पाठवून दिलेला आहे.
इस बार की थीम थी मॉडर्निटी एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी विद अ हिंट ऑफ कल्चरल.
We have taken different type of fabrics, and we have made a motif.
Well, so we took inspiration from blooming flowers, and our theme, basically the sub-theme is in Florence.
Our theme for this time is Wabi Sabi, which is an Japanese art culture, which means imperfections which are done with sustainability, and it has been perfectioned while going through the process.
अदिती राव हैदरचे कॉस्ट्यूम जास्त आवडतात.
वेल आई थिंक दीपिका पादुकोण हैज द बेस्ट सेंस ऑफ स्टाइल.
Currently, Rekha ji is the most stylist women in the fashion industry.
According to me, I think Ranveer Singh, because he's so bold and confident in whatever he's wearing.
Personal favorite is Jacqueline Fernandez, because her dressing sense is like just amazing.
I think Kiara Advani has an amazing sense of style.
Celebrities like Janhvi Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Ranveer Singh, they are very experimenting with their designs and styling. That is why I like them more.
ABP माझा उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.